friends, welcome to Wine Out with Chardonnay. In today's video we are cooking a HelloFresh meal.
Another one.
Today we got the creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli with bell pepper and parmesan, and I also got a side of shrimp added because anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So they gave me the ravioli, I got the shrimp, and then in the bag, y'all see it, I have a bell pepper, veggie concentrate, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, lemon, sour cream, garlic. Okay. Now, let's get right into it. First things first, say adjust rack to medium position and preheat oven to 400 degrees. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil and wash and dry produce. Okay. That was a lot of directions. That, like, y'all need to split that up. If I had a critique for y'all, I would split that little first instruction up because it's a lot to process, okay? So, yeah. Now I need a big pot, so I got a new pot set. I should have done an unboxing, but I just needed it. This is from Taffel. I thought it was $40, and when I got to the register, she said $90. And I was like, are you kidding me right now? And then I hate holding up the line, taking stuff off, so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it because I'm not about to walk back there and get another one. So, yeah. Alright, y'all think this is big enough? But how do I need a knife to open the knife? Does that make sense? I washed out the pot. So this is the pot. They said large, so I hope this is big enough. Zest and quarter lemon. Okay, HelloFresh, let me ask you a question. All right, I'm not understanding. If I don't know how to cook and I don't know nothing about cooking, where am I gonna get a zester from? Like, everybody doesn't have a zester in their house. I don't think my mom even ever zested a lemon. What am I supposed to do? So we not having no lemon zest in this meal because I don't have a zester. They should have put that on the bag or something. I don't know. Anyway, we're not doing the zest because I don't have it. So we're gonna change this to Alfredo. So it's gonna be Alfredo sauce on top instead of this lemon sauce, okay? But we're gonna do everything else. So
when we're making love, your cries they can be.
I have no idea if this ravioli is done at all. They said 45 minutes, so I wasn't even counting because I didn't read the paper all the way. Oh, they give you a lot of shrimp. That's a good amount of shrimp. I wasn't expecting that. Adobo in the bag. Okay, they telling me to stop. Then we have garlic powder. The little bit I have left. Onion powder. I think the ravioli is done. Seasoning salt, you know, the one and only. I ain't pouring that much, so don't worry about it being salty. If it is, it will. And then some more sazon. This is what you gotta be careful on right here because it'll go bad quick.
Just to get back before that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now.
And stock concentrates. cream cheese. Okay, the pepper almost done. Cream cheese, sour cream. Oh, and half the Parmesan. Okay.
Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it. This steps in, heavy violin. Last minute pills to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Dip, 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 dip.
Alright, here goes the moment of truth. Bell pepper, the ravioli, and a shrimp. I gotta warm it up. Okay, we gotta redo that one because I don't know how it ended up being cold. Probably because I cooked the pasta way earlier than other stuff. So let's retry this. So we got all three. We got ravioli, shrimp, and the bell pepper. It's really good. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Like, it's a kind of weird texture in the middle that I don't like, but it is actually good. Like, the shrimp is good with it, and the sauce is good. It's not too much, and it has a lot of flavor. So, actually, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's good. I'm gonna eat the whole plate, so.